Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Thursday and welcome back. The temperatures the last couple of days have been beautiful. If you like almost early June-like weather, that's what temperatures we've been having. Monday, 72. We were in the lower 70s across the majority of the state line to start the work week off. Temperatures did climb further past that Tuesday by making it in the upper 70s and then the lower 80s yesterday, and then also out there across the entire state line again this afternoon. The last time, though, that we have had weather, the last string of days that we did have weather in the 70s and 80s, you have to go all the way back to October 21st to the 24th, so it has been several months now at this point in time, 6 months since we've seen temperatures that were this warm out there. The 21st was 78, the 24th was 75 degrees, and then temperatures did fall after that. Average, though, on average, usually we don't hit the first 80-degree day until April 23rd. That did come about a week and a half to 2 weeks early, though, this year out there. I'm sure a lot of people have been enjoying this. Hopefully you did get outside. If you haven't this evening, the next couple of hours are still going to be nice out there. We're at 82 still in Rockford, same with Rochelle and in Freeport. 79 in Galena, still well above average out there, though. 84 is the current temperature up in Janesville. The only complaint probably, again, windy conditions. That's going to be true then into tomorrow and Saturday as well. So we're not going to break the windy or the warm pattern yet. Big changes to detail by Sunday, the second half of our weekend, though. We're at 23 miles per hour in Rockford, 22 in Rochelle. Peak wind gusts in Monroe at 26, 31 in Galena, so it has been windy out there. The National Weather Service did issue a red flag warning again for today. Not the entire state line like we saw yesterday. Still be mindful, avoid burning the rest of the evening, though. This is in effect till 8 p.m. for Joe Davies, Carroll, Stevenson counties in northern Illinois, Green, Rock, and then also Walworth County in southern Wisconsin. So about half of our counties are included in this. Relative humidity levels are going to come up a little bit tomorrow. Winds are still going to be gusting to around about 20-25 miles per hour, but we will have moisture that somewhat works its way back in tomorrow. Not going to lead to any developing showers. That will be a different story by Saturday, though. So gusts right now, we just talked about, they're between about 25-30 miles per hour, a little bit higher than that in some areas. Tonight, they're going to stay out of the southerly direction, stays very warm. It's going to be another mild night out there with wind gusts approaching about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So they will die down slightly overnight tonight into early Friday morning. Then our winds are going to pick up again about 20 to 25 miles per hour by Friday afternoon. They stay windy then as we get into Saturday afternoon. A similar story. We do have the potential for some thunderstorms out there as well. So sunshine out there all across the state line. That's not really going to be the case tomorrow, although the morning is going to be mostly sunny. Tonight will be mostly clear, tomorrow morning mostly sunny, and then we are going to start to see clouds work their way back in. Then by tomorrow midday, I would say by the evening hours, definitely going to start clouding over. I don't think it'll be a great sunset tomorrow night, and then showers do develop. This is going to be the first round Saturday. There could be two potential rounds, probably a little bit more widespread ahead of the cold front. That'll be overnight. Late in the evening into the overnight hours. This is the first round, though, say between about 7, 8 a.m. for areas west of Rockford, continuing to move through. But because we have a capped environment, showers and storms probably are going to weaken a little bit and break up the further they do make its way across the state line. But we will have initial sunshine, warmer temperatures early in the day. Second round, then, that's going to take place ahead of the cold front. We could see some isolated strong to even severe thunderstorms here across the state line as a result of that. But temperatures are really going to plummet between Saturday and then Sunday afternoon. Some models still showing us getting some light snow showers behind that low. This would be Monday about 1 in the morning, so late Sunday night into early Monday morning behind the low. Some accumulating snows possible. The majority of it, better chances stay to our north and northeast, but it is still possible here across the state line. The Storm Prediction Center did place the entire state line under a marginal level risk that is low, a 1 out of 5. The better chances are going to be to our south. That does include the St. Louis area. But again, Saturday afternoon and evening, some severe thunderstorms are possible. But like I mentioned, big change as far as our temperatures go. Very, very strong cold front. So ahead of that, temperatures do stay in the upper 70s, even near 80. A couple areas could actually squeeze out 80 degrees again on Saturday. Behind that cold front, though, we're not even going to reach the 50-degree mark. That'll be the case then on Sunday. So temperatures drop about 25 or so degrees. So big drop in our temperatures. It does stay warm, though, one more day. Definitely take advantage of Friday tomorrow afternoon and get out if you can. We'll be at 80 again, likely across the state line. 78 Saturday, showers, some thunderstorms, and then Mimi 47. It's going to feel almost like winter, and we do have the potential for some lighter snow. So big changes.